Request to know that we are ready.
All these people will know problem.
To nga nagaling ni kung SORKAR nila kamta magaling nga ba ay kublay kerpang di team join na po no transport department ni officer. Adin bingla de pas ya ka kabinet kini gisi balade kumingla pernah ya kini one time settlement scheme nagmantaman waive of ya taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani ki provided exactly ya bede berka motor vehicle taxes and good taxes kabalong din waive by proper persons hak bede ber fitness in waive by 90%. Mentah kasi nalong finally ke sistem kalau ready in place kena bingpai ba demi mentah le formally launching kemudian duduk oleh syai kelak mawan cemat ban siuno ek by court by selanjutnya kumingla pemenah kabinet di sebelah dia.
Kani getting kani ko content settlement fee hatu kate ye kini ki kali kiba
All commercial vehicle, big and small.
kamu duduk kat luar senam duduk kat luar senam kat
No, not from which year till date. Whatever dues has been there, so they can come and clear dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one-time settlement scheme which have been announced already.
Tapi ini ïOHNONG jong SORKAR kan kan ïOHNONG apa ide?
Roughly ke SORKAR kala penjo KUMBA duna ars KLUR plus more or less. Namar barok ke dues at kumingila calculate not exactly kala point almost 1100 crore. So after we waive, roughly we waive more than 800 crore. So kata government kanang yo revenue try kala duna kai KUMBA ars KLUR maybe 180 170 crore more or less. Kadai ke jingerap revenue jong government bar haju ko toro kadai relief ba igi cost margin kani kita kali kampan. You see, that is very good question. I would like to make sure and request to my officer and to all the truck owner after they finish this one-time scheme. So from next phases or from next quarter, I request them to come regularly so that there will be no more big dues like how it happened in the last 2 years.
So how is this one?
For me, when all payment has been done, you see, you mean how it come. So we have been collecting more data from those vehicle which has not been paid. Maybe there is a certain vehicle from the motor vehicle tax, this much of vehicle, from the good passenger, this much of vehicle, from the fisher, this much of vehicle. Thousands of vehicles are there. So roughly it come to almost 1100 crore dues. So after we waive all this, so we'll be getting a revenue. If all of them are coming forward, we may gain around 180 to 200 crores.
So how was the loss? How much was the
Loss, you know, from 1100 crore more or less to if it is not a loss actually. Mainly all these compounds mainly is finally.
1100 crore.
Mainly is from fitness. Only from the fitness win penalty almost 900 crore.
Sir, how many vehicles usually
You see, actually the data is not being made now, but I already briefed you during the cabinet that time. I already give everything. Even here, for example, like the data is with me here also from motor vehicle taxes, almost 65,000 approximately, and from good passenger tax over 12,642, and for penalties, which is for fitness certificate, is more than 57,000 vehicle. It's huge number. That's why the amount become very huge.